I one time had a student named Sarah, and Sarah would always look at quadratic trinomials, and if she saw a squared term in the beginning and a squared term at the end, she assumed it would be a perfect square trinomial, and it could be factored like this. But unfortunately, Sarah is incorrect because this is not a perfect square trinomial. Perfect square trinomials have the first term and the last term squared, or the first term and the last term, and they're exactly the same. But when you multiply them, you expand them out, you get an a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. So if that was the case, if this was a perfect square trinomial, my middle term would be 2 times 2x times 3. Well, 2x times 3 is going to be a 6x, times 2 is going to be a 12x. And unfortunately, in this example, I have a 15x, not a 12x. So therefore, I need to go ahead and actually factor this the old-fashioned way. So what I'm gonna do is, let's say I'll do a 4x and an x, and then if I need to get to 9, I could do 9 and 9 and 3 and 3, but if I did a plus 3 over here and a plus 3 over here, I can see that that is going to work. 4x times 3x is a 12x, that's gonna be 4x squared plus 3x and then plus 9, so that is going to be your factor form. It's not always perfect square trinomials. Make sure you check that middle term.